Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. And if you're like me, you're probably obsessed with using microfiber when wiping down your counters, dusting your furniture, and cleaning your car. But did you know that you could be using them wrong? That's right. Today we're going to be talking about the common microfiber cleaning mistakes that you're probably making. And after watching this video, you're going to save a whole lot of time and frustration. Let's get started. Okay, mistake number one, using the same microfiber cloths for everything. I get it, they're super convenient, but if you're using the same microfiber cloths for cleaning your counters, windows, and car, you're essentially spreading dirt around and not actually cleaning. This is because microfiber is designed to pick up dirt, oils, and bacteria. If you use one microfiber towel for all the tasks, then all that grime is going to build up and make it less effective. This is why it's crucial to use different towels for different tasks. I like to color code mine. One for the kitchen, one for dusting, one for windows, one for the bathroom, and one for my car. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Our commercial cleaning towels and reusable micro-wipes are perfect for this purpose. And we also have a whole video dedicated towards color coding your microfiber towels. The link is going to be in the description below. Alright, mistake number two, washing microfiber towels incorrectly. You may think that throwing them in the wash with your regular laundry is fine, but it can actually damage the fibers, reducing their cleaning ability. Here's what you're doing wrong. Do not use fabric softener because it's going to leave a coating on the microfiber towel, reducing its absorbency. And please do not wash them with other fabrics and towels that are lint heavy, because that lint is going to be transferred over onto the microfiber towel, rendering them useless. To properly wash your microfiber cloths, use a mild detergent and wash them on a gentle cycle, preferably with cold or warm water. And then air dry them if you can. Avoid using a dryer sheet as well. Keep them fresh and they'll keep doing their job right. Check the description for a link to the video that teaches you how to wash your microfiber towels the right way. Mistake number three, using too much cleaning product. It may seem like you need a lot of cleaner to keep things sparkling, but you actually need a little bit. This is because microfiber works best when it's slightly dampened and has a little bit of product on it. This is because if you use too much product, it's going to leave streaks and residue behind. Just lightly spray your cloth or spray the surface you're cleaning directly. You'll get a better clean and won't waste any product. Now this one can be easily overlooked. Mistake number four, not rinsing your microfiber towels enough. You may think that a quick rinse is enough, but after a few uses, your microfiber cloth is going to be built up with dirt and debris. And if you're not rinsing thoroughly, it's going to spread that dirt around. Gross, right? Make sure to rinse your cloth often while cleaning. Just give it a quick rinse under warm water to get rid of dirt before going back to cleaning. It'll make your microfiber much more effective. And finally, mistake number five, using the wrong type of towel for the task. Did you know that there are different types of microfiber towels for different tasks? Yes, we know microfiber can clean just about everything, but it's easier when you're using the right towel for the right task. A thick, plush cloth works great for absorbing liquids, while a thinner, smoother cloth is better for dusting or cleaning glass. For example, our GlassWave glass cleaning towels are specifically designed for glass, and our Suede cleaning towels are perfect for screens and lens, and work better than other towels. So, make sure you're using the right type of towels for the task. This small change will seriously improve your results. And there you have it, 5 common microfiber cleaning mistakes that you're probably making. And after watching this video, we hope that these tips will help you improve your cleaning routine. So if you're interested in these premium products, check the description below. It's going to have the links to our website and Amazon store. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment what kind of videos you want to see next. Follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy cleaning!